This is a very short video. In here I'm going to discuss about distinction between Java and JavaScript, right? In the beginning, you can see Netscape created the JavaScript and Sun Microsystem created the Java, right? And also Java include class, objects, and instance and method like things, and JavaScript uses prototype and functions mainly, right? Then we can identify the difference between Java and JavaScript mainly based on variables, right? So in this video I'm going to talk about behaviors of the variables, how it's different from Java to JavaScript, right? In another video I will discuss scope related to the scope of the variable, but in this video I will discuss behavior of the variables and how it's different from Java to JavaScript. Okay, when we consider about the behavior of the variables, Java variable must be defined and declared before the using, right? If you want to use a variable, you have to define it before it use, right? But in JavaScript it's not necessary, but it's not recommended, but it's not necessary. I will show you. So in here you can see I have assigned value to value variable this number, and when we log the number there's no any error, it's worked properly. I didn't declare it before it using, right? I have to declare it let var const or any kind of way, but it's not necessary, but it's not recommended, but it's not necessary. But in Java you must be declared before it using. But in JavaScript they also having variable types such as number and a string, but this can be changed during the lifespan of the running program. In the JavaScript, type is detected from the environment, therefore it's not necessary and it's not possible to define the type explicitly, right, in the JavaScript, right? So let's understand these things via simple code. So I'll explain through a small code. Okay, let's jump to Java code, right? This is a very simple code. In here you can see I have defined an int type variable, and then I'm going to print it, and then I have initiate string type variable, and I'm going to print it. So when it run this one, it works successfully. But if you try to assign text value, string value to number, what will happen? In Java it gives us error, because in Java they will keep same type for variable for the entire lifespan of the running program, right? We can't assign string value to int type variable, but this is completely different in JavaScript. I will explain it. Here you can see I have defined variable with let, and I have assigned integer value, right, number, and then I'm logging it, and then I am assigning string type value to the same variable, right? And then I'm trying to assign boolean value to the same variable, right? You can see here it's worked perfectly. It means in JavaScript it's not necessary and it's not possible to define the type explicitly, right, in JavaScript. But you can remember the previous code. Java, it's totally different. Now you know difference between Java and JavaScript based on variables, especially behavior of variables. Distinction between behavior of variables, Java and JavaScript, right? In the next video, I will explain distinction between variables between Java and JavaScript based on scope variable. See you soon.